Chandrayaan 3 is a special spacecraft designed to explore and study the surface of the moon. It is India's third mission to the moon. The name Chandrayaan 3 comes from two Sanskrit words, Chandra meaning moon and Yaan means craft or vehicle. Chandrayaan 3 was created and launched by brilliant scientists and engineers from ISRO. The Indian Space Research Organization's Telemetry Tracking and Command Center in Bengaluru receives data from the spacecraft and sends commands to it. MOX is the center from where scientists monitor the mission. The spacecraft is a result of a collaborative effort involving a vast array of experts. Here are a few key individuals. Chandrayaan 3 began its journey on July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m. IST. The satellite separated from the rocket and entered Earth's orbit 16 minutes after liftoff. Chandrayaan 3 was launched from the second launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Launch vehicle Mark 3 LVM-3M4 successfully launched the Chandrayaan 3. It was earlier known as the GSLV Mark 3. The LVM-3 earned the nickname Bahubali, echoing the heroic film character who lifts a heavy Shivalingam. This powerful rocket carried Chandrayaan 3 weighing 3.9 tons on its journey. The 642-ton LVM-3 is 43.5 meters tall and is nicknamed as Fat Boy, signifying its role as ISRO's heaviest launch vehicle. It stands as a remarkable achievement in the space technology. The spacecraft was injected into the translunar orbit on August 1st after a series of 5 successful orbits around the Earth. It escaped Earth's gravity and set out on its voyage to the moon, spanning a distance of nearly 3.8 lakh kilometers. Chandrayaan 3 entered lunar orbit on August 5th and underwent orbit reduction maneuvers on August 6th, 9th, 14th, and 16th before separating into its two modules on August 17 in preparation for landing on August 23rd. Chandrayaan 3 landed near the Moon's south pole on August 23, 2023 at 6:04 p.m. IST. It successfully soft landed near the Moon's south pole, a region considered particularly interesting due to potential wet deposits. With this historic feat, India has become the first country to land near the Moon's south pole and also the fourth country to land on the Moon after United States, the former Soviet Union, and China. Shiv Shakti Point marks the spot where Chandrayaan 3's moon lander successfully touched down on the lunar surface after a meticulous journey of 40 days into space. Prime Minister Narendra Modi declared August 23rd as National Space Day to commemorate the remarkable achievement of Chandrayaan 3's landing on the moon. The European Space Tracking Network, operated by the European Space Agency, provided support for the mission. A mutual support agreement emerged, where ESA's tracking assistance for ISRO's missions was reciprocated by ISRO's support for future ESA missions. The Tiranga Point is a location on the Moon near the lunar south pole where Chandrayaan 2 crashed on 6 September 2019. The name was given by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The name serves as an inspiration for all of India's endeavours and will teach us the important lesson that no failure is permanent. Parts of Chandrayaan 2. Orbiter. It continues to study the moon's surface, atmosphere, and minerals from its orbit around the moon. Lander. The lander Vikram was intended to make a soft landing on the moon. Rover. The rover Pragyan was designed to explore the moon's terrain and conduct experiments. Parts of Chandrayaan 3. Propulsion Module. The orbiter component has been replaced by the Lunar Propulsion Module. Lander Vikram. Chandrayaan 3's lander has more fuel, solar panels on four sides, reinforced legs for stable landings at higher speeds, and a larger landing area compared to Chandrayaan 2. Rover Pragyan. Similar to Chandrayaan 2, Pragyan, the smartest rover role is to perform special tasks on the moon's surface. The Chandrayaan 3 lander, which was a couple of days away from descending onto the surface of the moon, established contact with the Chandrayaan 2 orbiter. Welcome, buddy. Chandrayaan 2 orbiter formally welcomed Chandrayaan 3 landing module. Vikram, gentle lander. Named after Dr. Vikram Sarabhai, a renowned Indian scientist and founding father of the Indian space program, this part played a vital role in ensuring the soft landing of Chandrayaan 3 on the moon's surface. Pragyan, named after the Sanskrit word for wisdom, plays a vital role in exploring the moon's surface. The six-wheeled vehicle has instruments configured with payloads to provide data related to the moon's surface. It weighs 26 kgs. Propulsion module. The main function of the propulsion module is to carry the lander module from launch vehicle injection till 100-kilometer orbit around the moon. It also carries a payload called spectropolarimetry of habitable planetary Earth, which studies Earth from the lunar orbit. This additional function makes the propulsion module function somewhat like an orbiter. Spectropolarimetry of habitable planetary Earth SHAPE payload is dedicated to studying the spectral and polarimetric measurements of Earth from the lunar orbit. By analyzing the Earth's characteristics from this unique perspective, it will contribute to our understanding of Earth's habitability and valuable insights into planetary studies. Rambha LP Near Surface Plasma Density Measurement. Payload aims to measure the density of near surface plasma encompassing ions and electrons and monitor its temporal variations. APXS Alpha Particle X-ray Spectrometer payload is designed to derive the chemical composition and infer the mineral composition of the lunar surface. CHA-STE. CHA-STE stands for Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment. It is the name of the Chandrayaan 3 equipment designed to measure the surface thermal properties of the moon. Chandrayaan 3 has proved India's capability for cost-effective space missions. The Chandrayaan 3 project was developed at an estimated cost of 615 crores INR. Mission life. Both the lander and the rover have a mission life of 1 lunar day or 14 Earth days. Lander and the rover are solar powered and 1 day on the moon is equal to 14 days of sunlight on the Earth.